Let's be honest, some baby birds look like they were assembled in a rush. The head's too big, the fluff's all over the place, and the eyes, way too intense for something that can't even stand up straight. We're used to storybook ducklings, round, fluffy, ready for a photo shoot. But many birds, especially herons and egrets, hatch looking, well, prehistoric. These birds are what biologists call altricial, meaning they hatch underdeveloped. No real feathers, no open eyes, no independence. Compare that to ducks or chickens, which are born basically ready to go. Heron and egret chicks, on the other hand, need a few weeks of serious support. Warmth, food, and a safe nest perched high above the chaos. Their scruffy down feathers are just placeholders, a temporary coat while their adult feathers grow in. Eventually, they'll get sleek, water-resistant plumage built for a life spent wading through wetlands. But during those first few weeks, they look like they lost a fight with a hairdryer. And then there are the eyes. Oversized, wide, and a little haunting, even on day one. But there's a reason for that, too. Herons and egrets rely heavily on vision to hunt. They stand perfectly still, scanning the water, then strike with a lightning-fast jab. That intense stare helps them lock in on fish, frogs, or anything else careless enough to move. They don't dive like pelicans or skim like gulls. They wait. They watch. Then they launch those long necks like a spring-loaded spear. So the big feet, the gangly limbs, the disproportionate beak, they're all part of a rapid growth package. These birds only get a few weeks to go from helpless fluffball to something that won't fall off a branch in the wind. Every awkward phase has a purpose, and sure, they look weird, but weird works. By the time they fledge, they're lean, balanced, and deadly in the water. Until then, they're just biding their time, growing into those feet, shedding the bad hair, and watching everything. Next time you spot a baby heron or egret that looks like it wandered out of a sci-fi movie, remember, it's just nature's first draft. And that's the birdness of it all. If you like this video, YouTube suggests this one to watch next.